Meaning of elevator.
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 Elevator. An elevator is a vertical transportation device used to move people or goods between floors or levels of a building. It typically consists of a cab or platform that is suspended by cables and moves up and down within a shaft. Elevators are equipped with control systems, safety devices, and power units to ensure safe and efficient operation. They are an essential component of modern buildings, providing convenient access for people with disabilities and reducing the need for stairs. Elevators have revolutionized vertical transportation and are a staple of modern architecture.